In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove the leveling legs on your washer. So the easiest way to remove a leveling leg is just to pull your machine out from the wall enough, and you may have to remove the power cord and your hoses in order to get it far enough to tilt it back. But ideally, get the machine out enough that you can tip it back, lean it against the wall, and that gives you full access to the leveling leg. And what you want to look for with your leveling leg is most machines' leveling legs are like this one. They're metal with a rubber foot, and they usually will have a lock nut that basically once you get the machine level and the leg is in the position it needs to be, you tighten that nut and it stops it from vibrating up or down and causing your machine to go out of balance. So to remove it, you'll want to just take your wrench, and in this case it's a 9/16, put it on that lock nut, loosen it up, and you're able just to thread that leveling leg right out. Now sometimes you'll find them, they may be a little bit rusted or corroded up just from moisture in the laundry room or wherever you have it in the basement. So if you have to put a little bit of penetrating oil or WD-40 or something on it in order to get it to thread out nice and easy, it's just a couple of shots of that and they usually come out pretty well. So you just want to remove your locking nut from it. And that's how easy it is to remove the leveling leg on your washer.